Hey everybody, Tammy here. I dyed my hair several times to get this color. Not quite what I wanted, but almost. And I'm at Walmart leaving. And I'm going to do a video on what I'm cooking tonight. And what I'm cooking tonight is teriyaki, kind of a Hawaiian dill for shish kebabs. One thing I couldn't find in here was easy oven cleaner, which I really need tonight because I'm not going to barbecue them. I'm going to do them in the oven. So I'm heading home right now to cut up the meat, and I will get back to you later. Okay, I'm back, and I'm hoping I can get this video together. But tonight I'm going to do shish kebabs, and I've already cut up the meat, and the meat is prime rib, really easy to cut, very tender pieces. And now I'm going to add pepper. I'm kind of heavy-handed on the pepper. Okay, good amount of pepper on there. And some garlic powder, or you can use fresh crushed garlic, but I think powder is going to be easier. So I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic powder. And I'm going to put just a dash or so of sea salt. Let's see, not too much because I'm going to be adding teriyaki, and teriyaki has lots of sodium. And I'm going to let this marinate for a few hours before I get them on make the shish kebabs. Excuse me. Oops, sorry about the wiggle there. Got this new camera holder thing. Doing what I can here. Anyways, I'll probably use almost the entire bottle of Kikkoman teriyaki. It's absolutely delicious, and it's a marinade. I'm going to put it on here and mix it around. I'm going to actually need to probably pop off the bottle top so it comes out a little bit faster. No, or maybe not. Anyways, you put quite a bit on there. And I'm going to swish it around with my hands, cover it, and put it in the fridge and let it sit for quite a few hours. And I'll come back and assemble them and bake them. That's it for the moment. Well, hi, I am back, and I have cut the vegetables, and I have cherry tomatoes and mushrooms, and I have 2 different kinds of bell pepper. My meat has been sitting for a while. I have some canned pineapple, and we're going to skewer these babies up. And I've never done this before, but I'm going to cook them in the oven at 350 for as long as I feel necessary. And I'll let you know about how long that is. Then I'm going to make some rice and serve it on rice. So this is how I prepare it. I soaked my skewers in water for a little while. And I'm going to start with a piece of meat. There you go. And then maybe some onion. Then another piece of meat. That's what I usually like to do. And then a mushroom. You're going to base the sauce that I'm using, the teriyaki, is so delicious on this meat. It's definitely Hawaiian type. I'm going to put a couple slices of pineapple. Okay. There we go. And maybe some green pepper. It's up to you. I also have these beautiful tomatoes, and they are really good on your shish kebab. There we go. And let's try a piece of this pepper. This beautiful orange bell pepper. And another piece of meat. Always put lots of meat. I am a meat eater, sorry about those who aren't. And then I'm going to do another slice of onion. Some more pineapple. It really doesn't matter how you do it, whatever floats your boat or what's easier to grab. A couple more peppers on here. Got pepper on my fingernail. I'm going to go for another mushroom. did wash these, but they don't look too clean. But I promise you, I did rinse them. And another piece of meat. Kind of scoot it down your stuff fit on here. Probably could have put more meat on here than I did. Okay. Another piece of meat. Some more pepper. I think we need another piece of bell pepper. See how pretty that's starting to look? These are going to be nice. And more pineapple. And maybe a smaller piece of meat. It's not that they're that small. I cut them kind of big. Here's a little one. These are going to be good, as you can see. Now I'm going to go put these on a baking sheet. And I will get back to you later to show you what they look like. Okay, so here they are. And I got still leftovers, so I think I'm going to stir fry those. I got my water on for the rice. And I'm going to pop these in the oven, and I'll let you know about how long it takes to cook them. And then meanwhile, I'll be turning and basting a couple of times during the cooking. All right, we'll be back with what it looks like and tastes like. Okay, it cooked for approximately 35 minutes, and I think it could have went a little bit longer, but I still think it's pretty well done. And I'm going to take the leftovers, and I'm going to, let me try to get a fork. I'm going to give this a try, especially the meat. Turned out pretty good. It's a little dry. I think it needed more sauce. Anyways, give it a try. And I will talk to you later. Have a blessed day. Bye. Add a little tiger sauce. Makes a world of difference if it's a little dry. Anyways, now I'm truly gone. Have a blessed day. Bye.